Hey guys, welcome to KBK channel. Today I'll show you an Indian traditional side dish, that is Palak Paneer. Let's quickly note down the ingredients required for this recipe. Around 300 grams of palak or spinach, 1 medium sized onion finely chopped, 2 medium sized tomatoes finely chopped, around 8 to 10 cashew nuts, around 4 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds powder, half a tablespoon cumin powder, half a tablespoon garam masala, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, 150 grams of paneer, around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, around 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, and salt as required. Let's see the preparation. Have kept some water for boiling, to which I am adding spinach. Let this boil for 2 minutes. Now this is done. Let's transfer this into colander and immediately add 1 glass of ice cold water. Let this cool down. In a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated up, add cumin seeds. Once it starts spluttering, add green chilies. Now goes in onions. Give it a mix. You don't need to fry them too much. Ginger garlic paste. Fry until the raw smell goes off. Now goes in tomatoes, cashew nuts. Add a little bit of water. Now close the lid and cook for 2 minutes. Now this is done. Let's transfer this into a blender along with the spinach. Let's grind it into a smooth fine paste. Now this is ready. In the same pan, add half a tablespoon of butter, and this is optional, and 1 tablespoon of oil. To this add coriander seeds powder and cumin powder, and make sure that the flame is low. Mix well. Add paste. Give it a good mix. Add turmeric powder and salt. Now it's time to add paneer cubes. Close the lid and cook for 2 minutes. Now add garam masala, fresh cream, and finally garnish it with grated paneer. That's it. Our palak paneer is done and ready, and this can be eaten with roti, paratha, naan, jeera rice, ghee rice, or even with plain rice. I hope you like this recipe. Please do like, comment, and share my videos with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest recipes. Thank you.